What's up, guys? Welcome back to Devlog 2. I appreciate you clicking on this video to start. I was gonna say I had a really good week. I'm really excited for you guys to watch this video and enjoy it. And just one thing before it starts, I just want to say I did start a Patreon. So if you want to support me, you can. You don't have to, obviously, but the link will be in the description. It'll help me keep going. And yeah, enjoy the video. It is Tuesday, the 25th, and I did not develop on Monday because I was just tired. Really wanted to just take a little break. So today I'm starting off. It's about 1:30. I have about like 3 hours left to go to work. So I'm just here in Skyrim. I'm gonna get some screenshots of the interiors and the exteriors of the buildings to kind of get an idea of like a style, sort of, or like just some inspiration on what I want the building to sort of look like. Because I really like Skyrim. It's a really nice medieval / fantasy type game. So I really like the interiors and the exteriors, especially a Whiterun. So I'm gonna get some screenshots, put it on a Milano or a Trello or whatever, and get some inspiration. So yeah, I'll see you guys with some updates. All right, so I got a bunch of inspiration pictures here. This is kind of what I want the bookshelves to look like. These are the bookshelves from Skyrim, not bookshelf, but shelf in general. I really like the design, and yeah, I got a whole bunch of screenshots here for some inspiration, maybe for the interiors. I also did this a few nights ago. It's the loop logic for our AI, like what they'll do. I'm not going to go through it right now, but if you want to pause and read it, you can. But yeah, I'm going to get to coding, maybe do some modeling. And yeah, I don't really have a plan for what I'm going to do today. I think I'm just going to polish and get some bugs sorted out that I had with the current AI system. So yeah, I'll get to doing that. All right, so there isn't a lot to update you guys on. It's currently 10:30. I just got back from work, and like I said, there's really not much to update you guys on. Right now, I'm kind of just doing a lot of refactoring to get this AI logic to work. So I feel like today and tomorrow, there's really not going to be a lot of visual changes, mainly just code changes to try to get them to actually work. Let's see, like right now, they're bugged out and they're not working. So yeah, that's mainly what I'm going to do. Probably for either today, tomorrow, and maybe even the next day. There might be 3 days of just this stuff. So if it's just a bunch of code refactoring and stuff, I won't be doing updates until I'm done with it completely. So yeah, that's the end of today. See you next time of an update. What's up, guys? It's currently July 26th, and it is 11:13 p.m. It is day 7 of development, and I think I finally fixed the issue I was trying to fix. It was a huge pain in the butt. I had to do a whole bunch of refactoring, a whole bunch of hair pulling out, and yeah, I think I fixed the issue I had. I'll show you guys now. So over here on the right, you can see each checkpoint is just a shelf. So element 0 is one of the shelves, element 1 is another one, and so on and so forth. And they each have this boolean called is taken. So if there's an AI there, it's going to check that, and when they leave, it's going to uncheck it. So my biggest issue was I wasn't having it wasn't working, is pretty much how to sum it up. So if we see here, I'll spawn 1, 2, 3, or that guy, if I spawn too fast, it doesn't work. But see, they're all 3 are taken with all 3 at the shelf and 1 waiting. So now just give a little bit of time here, and they'll go off. And then this guy, so he just switched states right there, and the check mark changed. So the bug itself is fixed. It's actually changing states correctly. Now just what the issue is that AI sometimes doesn't actually go to the destination it's supposed to. Sometimes he'll just sit at the campfire, but he'll be in the correct state, because that was the issue. The AI wasn't changing states correctly, and I fixed it. So now it's fixed. I just need to fix the problem of now sometimes there's a weird hiccup where it actually won't go to where it's supposed to go. Because when it's at the campfire and an open spot comes up, they're supposed to go to the shelf and leave the campfire. But sometimes it doesn't work, which is a weird bug. But I'm happy for what I did today. This took forever, and like not all of yesterday, but a lot of yesterday was spent trying to fix this. So yeah, I'm pretty happy, and yeah, this is all I'm gonna do tonight. I'm pretty like fried from this, so my brain is like melting. So I'm gonna just play some video games, hang out, and do some more development tomorrow. I'll see y'all tomorrow on day 8. What's up, guys? It is July 27th. Yeah, it's Thursday. It's day 8 of the this week, and day 8 of the development in general. It's 3 o'clock, or it's pretty much 4 actually, but I don't really know what I'm gonna get done today. I'm not really feeling that motivated today. I might get some modeling, try to make a new shelf model. But yeah, you guys gotta remember, this is a hobby for me. This isn't like a full-time thing. I have a job, I have school, so it's really more of a hobby. So every day I won't be developing every day, because some days I just won't be feeling it. So that's just how it is. So if I get stuff done, then I'll make a video. I'll make a segment of the video. If I don't, then I won't. So it's not really guaranteed video every week. It's more of, if I do enough in the week, there will be a video. But if I don't, then there will be every 2 weeks, or whenever I get a chance to get it all edited into a video and all that. So yeah, let's see what I get done today. All right, so I just finished modeling, and I'm just gonna say I'm way happier with the new model. The old model, which is the one on the left here, and the new one's the one on the right. I think the old one, it just looks too blocky and it's too smooth. So yeah, I think the new shelf looks amazing. So I'm gonna get it implemented into the actual shelves itself. So yeah. All right. So my plans were completely different from what they actually were. I worked from the minute I was making the shelves until like 5 minutes before I had to leave for work. And I'm back now, or I've been back for probably about 2 hours now, and I've still been working. And I added a whole new system in. So all the shelves are new. I added a few new shelves, and we'll spawn some guys in just to have them in here. But all of them are there. So if we actually go into here now, the book, if we look at the book, there's this little outline, and we can open the book. Nothing happens except the game pausing. But yeah, this is where you're going to be managing your inventory. From special items, like unique items, to like everyday items like milk and cheese. But yeah, here's our little thing. I actually really like it, so I think it looks sick. That's pretty much what I was stuck on. I was stuck on trying to find a good outline for a while, and then I ended up using this asset here. I just ended up using this. So yeah, that's what I used. I think it looks nice, and that's what I'm gonna do for today. So see you guys on day 9. Yeah, day 9 tomorrow. Peace out. All right, what's up, guys? Welcome to day 9 of development. It is Friday the 28th, and it's 2:01. And I just wanted to show you guys this. I kind of last night, after I did my last recording, I added this new stuff, the Trello, fill it out a little bit, give you guys more of an idea. But yeah, so green is done, as yellow is almost done, and red needs done. So what I plan on working on is finishing the book UI, just like putting a prototype UI down, and then starting on the inventory system today. That's included in modeling the models, taking screenshots of them, so there's icons, stuff like that, coming up with ideas for stuff to sell. If you guys have any ideas, let me know, and stuff like that. So yeah, if I have any modeling or coding, I'm gonna start going into depth about it, because I think that'll just be cooler to go more in depth about what I'm doing. So the 3D models I've time-lapsed. When I finish coding stuff, I'll somewhat explain how it works, just to give people an idea, because someone commented, I don't remember who it was, said they liked how I was explaining how stuff worked. So I'm gonna start doing that more, because I personally like when people do that in devlogs. But yeah, I'll shut up and stop yapping and get to coding. See ya on the next update. So as you saw in the time lapse, we can go over here, press E, see that wonderful outline. It opens up. This is just rough. I suck at this. I might end up just paying someone to do the UI for me, because this is like my worst nightmare is UI. But you can push the button all you want. Push this button if you want. Games pause. Press the X. You go back to normal. Here we'll spawn in a customer. There he goes. He's doing his stuff. Press that. Boom, 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 boom. Go back, and he's still doing his stuff. There we go. So I don't really know what I'm gonna work on next. I might work on actually trying to implement the inventory system. That's gonna take a while to actually do. because it's going to be really complex. So yeah, let's get into it. All right, so I picked up this character pack with all these models from Cinti Studios. I really like their models and work in general, so I picked this up. It's 15 bucks while it was on sale, so it was a pretty good deal in my opinion. So I'm gonna put these into the game as the customers, just for now. Eventually I'll add in one they have with like 720, where you can apparently make like 24 billion different combinations. That's what I heard from TJ Dev. He's a pretty good YouTuber. I watch him a lot. But besides that, his videos are pretty good. So I'm gonna put these in, see how they work. But there might not be an update, so this might be the last thing I do for tonight. It's 11 o'clock, so we'll see. But yeah, I'll see if there's an update. If there's not, then I'll see y'all tomorrow. All right, so I got the characters working. As you can see, I can spawn a whole bunch in here, and there are no animations yet, just T-poses. I also added these fake windows. It's literally just a point light that's sticking out, but I was trying to look at one of their faces, and there's just too dark, so I was like, I need some windows. So I added these really bad windows. They're just placeholders for now, but they're there. And yeah, I did a lot today. I mean, I got this book thing, which took forever to make. I also set up this line, so now they're actually in a line instead of just grouping up. At least 3 of them are. Once it hits 3, then they don't line up anymore. They just freak out. But yeah, that's all I'm doing tonight. And I will see you guys on day 10 of development. Peace out. All right, guys. So I actually really didn't do that much yesterday. Actually, I really didn't do anything yesterday or today. I worked late tonight, so I'm not going to be able to do it. I'm going to edit the video real fast. I had to leave for work in like 2 hours. So I'm going to edit it and then leave. But yeah, I appreciate you guys watching the video. If you made it this far, comment candle if you made it this far. And remember, guys, I did start a Patreon, so if you guys want to support me, the link is in the bio. You don't have to, obviously, but it just helps me keep going and stuff. So yeah, I appreciate it. I'm excited for next week's development, and peace out.